Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix televideo not saving in 2026. Yeah, if your recordings disappear, fail to save, or don't show up after recording, don't worry, this guide will help you recover and prevent the issue because, honestly, losing recorded content can be frustrating, but it's usually fixable. So first, check your internet connection. Tella relies on a stable connection to save videos. So if your internet drops during recording, the file may not upload or save properly, and reconnecting can often fix it. Next, wait for the upload to complete. Yeah, sometimes videos take a bit longer to process, especially larger recordings, so give it a moment before assuming it's lost. After that, refresh or restart Tella. A quick refresh or reopening the app can help your saved videos appear if there was a temporary glitch during saving. Also, check your browser storage and permissions. Yeah, if storage is limited or permissions are restricted, Tella may fail to save recordings, so make sure everything is enabled properly. And yeah, clear your browser cache or try a different browser. So this can fix hidden issues that prevent saving, especially if you're using an outdated or overloaded browser. Finally, make sure Tella is updated to the latest version. Most of the time, following these steps will resolve saving issues and ensure your videos are stored safely without problems. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.